how to delete widget on iPhone iOS 18. So if you have multiple widgets on your iPhone iOS 18, because or the widget makes your app scattered, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily remove or delete unwanted widgets on your iPhone home screen. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete widgets on your iPhone home screen, all you just need to do is go ahead and press the iPhone home screen just like this. While you see the iPhone screen weekly, identify the widget you want to delete and click on the delete button at the top left of it. Then once you click on that delete button, then here if you see remove this particular widget, removing this widget will not delete any app or data from the particular application you set its widget on your screen. Then go ahead and tap remove. Then once you click on the application rearranged, if you want to further rearrange the application on your home screen, just drag this to whatever you want to drag it. And then once you're satisfied with the positioning of the widget, then go ahead and click on the double button at the top right. Then you are good to go. So you can repeat this on all the widgets you have on your iPhone iOS 18 screen to remove them. So that is basically how to remove or delete iPhone widget on home screen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.